Sa lahat ng bagay sa buhay, naghahanap ka ng kasagutan. When Phoebe and I were first dating, hindi ko maintindihan why she was licking my nipples. Yung pala yun! I was like, Phoebe, why are you like I feel so violated. I never felt so violated in my life. Naalala mo yun?
Excuse me.
Sabi niya, you like that? Sabi ko, I never had anybody touch my nipples.
Don't lie like
Oy, pero nagustuhan mo, Rico. Nagustuhan mo.
You know, Ren?
No.
Nagustuhan mo
I was
naman.
bothered.
Why?
Kasi I was starting to enjoy it. I was like, wow. Oh, no. It was weird.
No, but really, there
was
are
weird.
men talaga. There
It's the
are
first
men.
time. I got the virginized.
Actually, ni-research ko din siya kasi nga sa sobrang na-bother din ako nung time na yon na parang, bakit? So, ni-research ko siya.
So, kinaagat mo rin. Like,
okay.
Hindi naman kinakagat. Masakit yun, syempre. Masakit yun.
Nibble lang, nibble.
O, nibble lang. Kasi
nibble
parang
lang.
apparently,
Nibble on the nipple.
meron pala siyang connection dun sa yun. Kumbaga, nag-connect pala yun. So,
Yeah.
kapag ka chinorva mo yung ganon.
So, you have to lick the nipple, put your finger in his butt, and do that all at the same time?
well, kung gusto niya.
I never felt that.
Phoebe,
but I'm-
alam mo na.
I'm
Kailangan
curious
i-try
now.
mo
I'm
yan.
curious.
Hindi, depende talaga sa guy. Kanya-kanya kasi silang mga, siguro fetish niya yun, di ba?
Oo, pero talagang meron.
Oo.
Kasi actually noong una talaga na weirduhan din ako but apparently,
Some guys like it.
yes.